We also know that coffee, the estates are also coming under competition from the real estate sector. And so what we want to urge the coffee farmers is that all is not lost. I think the government is committed to ensuring that all the sectors of this very important Ministry of Agriculture slowly but surely will be attended to, and with the help of the Committee of Agriculture and Livestock, which we are seized of a lot of these issues. We're also looking at the legislation and the policy framework to be able to help in terms of coming up with better regulations for the industry. We're also looking at whether it is better to go back to the individual Coffee Board of Kenya, or Kenya Tea Board, or Kenya Sugar Board, as opposed to what we have now under AFA.
We are giving these incentives to farmers who are producing and giving incentives for farmers who are not producing.